Hi honey, well it's time to think about what we should do about this year's holiday card.
Hal, you know how much I dislike the holiday cards you have done over the past 10 years. You always make our daughter Nicole and I look like some old TV shows or something stupid.
Yeah, but last year we did the video instead to try something new and you seemed to like it.
Not that much. You always think that you are funny, but my Facebook friends say that you are not.
Okay, what about if we just skip doing something this year? We could use the money that we would have spent on holiday cards and postage to buy an iPad too. This way we can just hang out and watch TV, and you can check your Facebook stuff from our comfortable couch.
Hal. Now that's the Christmas spirit. Maybe we even spread a little holiday joy by lighting a fire and inviting a few friends over to our house for New Year's.
That would be great. I love hanging out with our friends. Do we have to buy them iPads also?
Hal, I love you, but sometimes you really do not get it. You are like a lost little puppy who just cannot find his way home.
Holly, fine. Just wish our friends and family a happy holiday season. Okay?
Okie dokie, happy holidays everybody and wishing you a happy and healthy year.
Nice job honey. Holly, now let's go to the Apple store before they run out of iPad 2s.